All right, so we're going to look over figure 35 airplane power settings table. How much fuel do we need to get from point A to point B? All right, so the distance between point A and point B for this problem is going to be 500 nautical miles. Pressure altitude, 4,000 feet. The temperature 29 degrees Celsius. Manifold pressure at 21.3. Okay, so let's pull up the chart. I have all the information written down there because you probably weren't able to write it down quick enough. That's fine. So our first step is to find our 4,000 feet. All right, next step, choose the right chart. We are 29 degrees Celsius, so we want to use the plus 20 degrees Celsius chart. So we'll zoom in a little bit right there. Our next step, manifold pressure that was given was 21.3, and that gives us 11.5 gallons per hour with a true airspeed of 159 knots. Now, write all that information down. Next step, I don't know if you use electronic calculator, one of the improvements for your quiz, or if you still use the old school E6B. The electronic calculators are a lot more user-friendly, so I didn't use one of those. I simply used the E6B electronic version. So let's first of all figure out our time en route. So I already did the figuring for you, and if you're not 100% on this, what you're going to do is put your ground speed on 159. There is no 159, there is a 16, which also you add a 0, that's 160. So just back it off just a hair off of 160, and then you're going to find your distance, which is 500 nautical miles. There, as you see, there's no 500 nautical miles, so we're just going to use, you guessed it, 50. Now, if you look real closely, you can, on that inside ring, it says 3 hours, and you can see that 50 is just before the 10-minute line at 3 hours and 10 minutes. So we're going to go with 3 hours and 9 minutes. All right, so 3 hours and 9 minutes en route. Now let's figure out how much fuel we're going to burn. So again, I already did it for you. Time en route is, we figured out we're going to burn 11.5, so we're going to put our pointer on 11.5. Then on the inside, we're going to find our 3 hours and 9 minutes. And if you zoom in, you'll be able to see it's just past 36, so I'm going to say 36.2. All right. And so we are going to burn 36.2 gallons during that entire trip. All right, cool beans.